Okay, now we can see how the robot is moving. The script will set the arm to a home position, will pose the base in the peak position, and then will command the arm to pick the object. Okay, here I have created another table. I think now the ID is loaded, so we can check the code. Here is inside the RB-Kairos sim bring a package. You will find a script folder, and we are using now the robot pick place script. Okay, and at the end, the script has a start method where we define all the steps that we are going to execute. Okay, in this case, I have defined some methods that let us know at high level what is going on. Okay, but at the end, they are using the methods that I have explained. Okay, so as we have seen, the first thing, the robot, the arm, has gone to the home position. Then the base have moved to the position where the object was located. And then what we have done is the arm to go to the pre-pick position, and then go in Cartesian to pick the robot, to the object, sorry. In this case, pick and place methods are just calling the service that the standard gazebo vacuum plugin is providing us to activate or deactivate the stuff that allows grasping objects. Okay, in addition, we can also try to launch another robot, and we can try to get the object that the first robot has left there. So, okay, in this case, what I have done at the end of the script, I have saved the position where the first robot has placed the object. Okay, so now what I will do is to do the second robot to go to that position and try to pick the object. Okay, so for that we will need create a static transform that relation the map of the robot, the first robot, with the robot B. So terminal